Hello and welcome to Easy English Daily. Today, we are going to learn simple English sentences about preparation and cutting food. These sentences will help you talk about cooking in English easily and confidently. Are you ready? Let's start learning.
I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. I check the vegetables carefully. I check the vegetables carefully. I wash the vegetables before cooking. I wash the vegetables before cooking. I rinse the tomatoes with water. I rinse the tomatoes with water. I peel the onions carefully. I peel the onions carefully. I chop the onions carefully. I chop the onions carefully. I put the chopped onions in a bowl. I put the chopped onions in a bowl. I dice the carrots into cubes. I dice the carrots into cubes. I squeeze the lime for juice. I squeeze the lime for juice. I grate the cheese into a bowl. I grate the cheese into a bowl. I mash the potatoes until soft. I mash the potatoes until soft. I cut the cucumber into thin slices. I cut the cucumber into thin slices. I prepare the vegetables for cooking. I prepare the vegetables for cooking. I get everything ready for cooking. I get everything ready for cooking. I mix the vegetables in a big bowl. I mix the vegetables in a big bowl. I add salt to the carrots. I add salt to the carrots. I stir the mixture slowly. I stir the mixture slowly. I place the food on a plate. I place the food on a plate. I use a knife to cut the meat. I use a knife to cut the meat. I mince the meat for dinner. I mince the meat for dinner. I remove the skin from the chicken. I remove the skin from the chicken. I open the can of beans. I open the can of beans. I take the seeds out of the pepper. I take the seeds out of the pepper. I crack the eggs into a cup. I crack the eggs into a cup. I pour oil into the pan. I pour oil into the pan. I fry the egg. I fry the egg. I slice the bread for breakfast. I slice the bread for breakfast. I spread butter on the bread. I spread butter on the bread. I clean the kitchen table. I clean the kitchen table.
Great job today! You learned many useful A2 English sentences about preparing and cutting food. Keep practicing these sentences every day to improve your English. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Daily for more easy and useful lessons. See you in the next video. Goodbye!